Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Squared Grade 4 Module 1 Topic E. Alright, so let's get started. Each lesson will have two parts, the explanation part and the actual lesson part, where we do the problems that are similar to the ones in the explanation part. Alright, so let's get started. This is lesson 23, explanation part. Alright, complete the conversion table. So we have 9 kilometers, and since 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters, then if we have 9 of those, that would be 9,000 meters. And here we have 17 kilometers, 86 meters, and converting to meters. So all you need to do is convert the 17, so multiply by 1,000, that's 17,000, and then 86 meters is already in meters. So 17,086 meters. Alright, now subtract 9 meters, 63 centimeters, minus 5 meters, 76 centimeters. So 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So we convert all this to centimeters. So this is 963 minus 576, and then that's 387, which is our answer. Now use the read, draw, write process to solve the problem. Number 4, Ray kicks a field goal that is 16 meters for 45 centimeters long. Casey kicks a field goal that is 21 meters, 67 centimeters long. What is the total length of both field goals? Alright. So if you convert it both to centimeters and you add the total, here that's what they did. Their answer is 3,812 centimeters. Alright, and now number 5. Measure the length of each pencil to the nearest quarter inch. Then use the data to complete the line plot. Alright, so we measure it to our nearest. Oh, and they also give us a ruler if you want to use that. But if you have a ruler at home, you measure it to the nearest quarter inch, and then you just plot the data. Alright, so lesson 23, complete the conversion tables. 4 meters, a meter is 100 centimeters. So 4 meters, 4 times 100 is 400 centimeters. And 7 times 100 is 700. Now kilometers to meters, that's times 1,000. So 3 becomes 3,000. 6 becomes 6,000. Now convert 235 meters times 100. That's 235. Add 2 zeros. That's 23,500. Now 8 kilometers, 205 meters. All we need to do is convert 8 kilometers. That's 8 times 1,000, which is 8,000, and then 205 meters. Alright, now add or subtract 6 meters, 42 centimeters minus 18 centimeters. Well, you can just do 42 minus 18, which is 24. So you can do 6 meters, 24 centimeters. And now number 6, 8 meters, 72 centimeters, plus 2 meters, 43 centimeters. You can either convert it all or just add it as it is. You can say 8 plus 2 is 10 meters. And then, but then you can, actually, it depends if you want to simplify it or not. But I'll convert it. 8 times 100, that's 872. 872 plus 243 is 115. Because 872 plus 200. Yeah, so 1,115 centimeters. Now use the redraw right process to solve the problem. Alright, number 7. There are 2 rock walls to choose from at a park. Ray climbs the wall that is 4 meters, 26 centimeters tall. Ivan climbs the wall that is 335 centimeters tall. How much taller is Ray's wall than Ivan? Alright, so Ray's wall is 4 meters, 26 centimeters tall. And Ivan's is shorter than that, 335. Alright, so find the difference when you convert it. So 4 meters, 26 centimeters, that's 426 minus 335. 426 minus 335 is 91. So that means, this is Ray's wall is 91 centimeters taller. Alright. Now number 8, cut out the ruler, measure the length of each fish to the nearest quarter inch, then use the data to complete the line plot. I actually think I will cut out the ruler. Let's see. Okay, we're just gonna rip this part out. And you guys can cut out the ruler too. It should be given on the page next to this page. Alright, I got my ruler. And now measure to the nearest quarter inch. So they've given us the quarter inch. So our first fish always start at 0. It's up to here, which is 1 1/4. So we find 1 1/4 on here, and we put an X over it to mark it as 1 fish. So we plot it on the line plot. Now this next one is about 1 1/2. So we plot it here. This one's 3/4. Alright, now this one is 1. And this one is 1 1/2. Oh, wait. And this one was more like, I could say this was 1 3/4. And this one's 1 1/2. And this one is 1 3/4. This one is 1 3/4. On this one looks pretty big. This is 2 1/4. Okay. Alright, pretty simple, just measuring. Now lesson 24, explanation part. Number 1, complete the conversion tables. Alright, we have kilograms, 6 to grams. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, so 6 times 1,000 is 6,000 grams. In liters, 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters, so 2 times 1,000 is 2,000 milliliters. Now convert 63 kilograms and 213 grams to grams. All you need to do is convert the 63, so multiply by 1,000, that's 63,213 grams. Alright. And subtract. So number 4, 9 liters, 421 milliliters, minus 3 liters, 410 milliliters. So 9 minus 3 is 6 liters. And then 421 minus 410 is 11 milliliters. Alright, so pretty simple. Didn't really need to convert anything. Now use the redraw right process to solve. Number 5, Mia has a brown horse and a white horse. The brown horse eats 47 kilograms, 456 grams of hay each week. The white horse eats 33 kilograms, 743 grams of hay each week. How much total hay do the horses eat each week? So what we gotta do here is convert all of the same unit, which is grams, and add it together to get 81,199 grams. Okay. So now let's move on. We have lesson number 6. Partition the interval from 0 to 1 into halves. Alright, so this is 0 halves. And this will be 1 half. This would be 2 halves. Because you gotta mark it by halves. Alright, and I use the redraw right process to solve the problem. Number 7, Gabe has a page of 40 stickers in a row. There are 5 stickers in each row. How many rows of stickers are there? Pretty simple. 40 divided by 5 rows equals, 40 divided by 5 in each row equals 8 rows in total. So 8 rows. Alright, lesson 24. Complete the conversion tables. 4 kilograms times 1,000 is 4,000 grams. 17 times 1,000 is 17,000 grams. Liters is 6 times 1,000 is 6,000 milliliters, and 13 times 1,000 is 13,000 milliliters. Now convert this to grams. So you just convert 51, this is 51,128 grams. And 8 liters becomes 8,016 milliliters. Now add or subtract. So we don't need to convert. We can do 9 minus 3 is 6 liters. 421 minus 410 is 11 milliliters. Alright, and now 14 kilograms, 641 grams, plus 3 kilograms, 407 grams. That's 17 kilograms, 641 plus 400, 7, that's 1,048. Grams, which is 18. Alright, so 18 kilograms, because 1,000 goes here, and then it's 48 grams. Now use the redraw right process to solve the problem. Number 7, a baseball team drinks 18 liters, 932 milliliters of sports drink at their game. A football team drinks 26 liters, 498 milliliters of sports drink at their game. How much more sports drink does a football team drink than baseball team? Right. I have to go with B first for baseball. 18 liters, 932 milliliters. And the football team drinks 26 liters, 498 milliliters. So we want to find out how much more does the football team drink than the baseball team? So what's missing over here? So first we gotta convert. Alright, to milliliters, that's 26,498 minus, you don't even need to convert. You could do 26 liters, 498 milliliters, minus 18 liters, 932 milliliters. 26 minus 18, that's 8 liters. 498 Oh wait, hold on. You gotta subtract that too. I guess you didn't cover it. Alright, we can do a little standard algorithm. Alright, so 7,566. So that means the football team drinks 7,506 milliliters more. Alright, now number 8, partition the interval from 0 to 1 into thirds. Okay. So plot the fraction on the number line. Alright, so we need 0 thirds to 3 thirds, so that should be 2 lines in between, and those parts need to be equal. So I have one line over here, one line over here. So these are your thirds. So 0 thirds, 1 third, and this would be 2 thirds, 3 thirds. I'll just write this down to make it clear. Now use the redraw right process to solve the problem. Use the letter represent the unknown. Number 9, Carla plants 30 tulips in equal rows. She plants 6 tulips in each row. How many rows of tulips does Carla plant? Alright. So total is 30 tulips. We know there's 6, but we don't know how many. So how many in each row? So 30 divided by 6 in each row equals T, which is tulips. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. So that means T equals 5. So Carla plants 5 rows of tulips. So yeah. Alright, and this is the end of module 1 for grade 4. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please feel free to leave down any comments below if you have any questions. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.